So guys, welcome to my vlog guys. Ito na naman tayo guys. Ang vlog natin guys ay yung motor ng BMW guys. Dito tayo sa warehouse ng BMW. Dito po ako nagtatrabaho as a driver. Truck driver po ako dito. Ito guys oh. Ito yung model nila na GS Trophy 1250cc guys. And guys oh, super bike to 1250cc guys. BMW guys. Sana magkaroon tayo nito guys. Please like, support and share guys to my vlog guys. Yan oh. Ito guys, GS 1300cc guys. Yan oh, super bike guys. Yan. Mga bagong dating to guys. Galing ng ano to guys, Germany to guys, galing guys oh. Hanggang picture lang tayo guys kasi bago pa lang tayo sa social media guys. Sana pangarap pagkaroon tayo nito guys. Paki-follow and support and share guys to my vlog guys. Ayan oh, warehouse yan guys, dami guys. Ayan oh, sana magkaroon tayo ng isa dyan guys. Ayan po vlog natin guys. Ito po GSR 1350cc. Ayan po, naka BMW po, BMW brake caliper. And kabilaan po BMW brand new guys. White and blue stripe and green to guys, kulay. Hey guys, salamat po sa nanonood. Please like and share the video.